So guys, today vlog is from Venus clothing line. And so let's get the party started. So I have 1, 2, maybe 3 outfits. And this one is a black turtle neck dress. With the adjustable belts. And here's the materials. Soft. And the next one. This one, of course, is my favorite colors. Red and leopard print. Here she is. And the third one is, kasi taglamig dito, so kailangan ng jacket. Diba? And one of my favorite color, this is maroon, na coat. So guys, this jacket is so nice. It feels soft. It's not heavy. It's not light. And the size is perfect. So if you go to the website, it's true size. And the material from this jacket is excellent. So this is the turtleneck dress from Venus. And I love the material, it's soft. I love the design. I love the length. So guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.